This is 11.2 exercise problem number 3. Here for this we have to draw a circle of 3 centimeters radius, and from this we have to take 2 points exteriorly at 7 centimeters. P and Q already given here. So from here at 7 centimeters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is 7. 7 centimeters one point is taken. Okay, now join this. Let us take it as P. And from here also, this side also, left side also, 7 centimeters, take one more point Q. Okay, this is Q. Now join this P and Q. Okay, now for OP, we have to construct perpendicular bisector. This OP we have to construct a perpendicular bisector. How? Always whenever you construct a perpendicular bisector, it should be more than half. Above line and below the line. Here from O also, above the line and below the line. Okay, now join this. Okay, now let us take this as M. Here also for this OQ also, let us construct the perpendicular bisector. Okay, and from O, both the sides, left and right, top and bottom, above and below the line, you have to draw 2 line segments, and also from PQ also you have to write. Now join this. Okay, you have got one midpoint. Let us take it as N. Okay, now what you have to do with M as center, and OM as radius, construct a circle. Okay, now in the same way, this N as center and MPM as radius, construct a circle. Okay, now somewhat this is the figure you will be getting. Now what you have to do, what is asked, take point, and from this, from the P, this P point, these 2 circles, they are intersecting the circle with 3 centimeters at one point. Take this X and take this Y. ऐसे a circle 2 पॉइंट में इंटरसेक्ट हो रही है. ओके, नाउ जॉइन PX and PY. PX and PY. So PX and PY are the tangents from P. SE join. Now this is X. Now this is X and this is Y. Okay. Now join A and B. We have given names. Okay. This is A and this is B. Okay. Join Q and A. And join Q and B. Okay, these are the 2 tangents we have drawn. From here circle is given and one external point is given. Somewhat you will be getting like this. External point is given, and from that we have drawn a circle. Okay, we have joined P and Q, and center and P and center and Q. So from the we have got OP and OQ. For that we have constructed the perpendicular bisectors, and from by taking PM and PN as radius, we have constructed the tangents.